Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 2021 TMA Related Theory graduation ceremony. I would like to personally welcome each and every one of you here today for being with us as we honor the graduates of the TMA Related Theory Apprentice Training Program. Today, graduates will receive their certificates in the following disciplines: Advanced CNC Programming, Mold Making, and Tool and Die Making. Graduates are the 9th group to come through this program after it had stalled for several years. Now, after a few years, you are about to graduate from the TMA Related Theory Apprentice Training Program, the gold standard training program in manufacturing. Your names are now associated with other TMA graduates who have used their TMA training and education to design, engineer, program, machine, and build a variety of complex precision components, tools, dies, fixtures, and molds. You should be commended for this tremendous accomplishment. I'd also like to thank the employers who sponsored these student apprentices for believing in a training program vital to manufacturing in the state of Illinois. Additionally, I'd like to thank the TMA Manufacturing Education and Careers Committee, otherwise known as MEC. Their guidance is crucial to the design and implementation of our training and education curriculum.
Class, you are very fortunate to work for companies who value having highly trained employees and who are willing to invest in their workers. Remember, the ultimate measure of a CNC machinist is not where you stand in moments of comfort and convenience, but where you stand in times of challenge. Keep the same drive you showed me in class. Never settle for good enough. Every time you reach a goal, set a new one for yourself. Congratulations to the CNC graduating class of 2021. Nelson Fong. Congratulations. Connor Hughes. Congratulations, Connor. Congratulations. Adam Lamb. Congratulations, Adam. Adrian Lush. Congratulations, Adrian. Congratulations. Michael Monell. Congratulations, Mike.
Congratulations to all the 2021 TMA graduates. You have all made the sacrifices to get here today. The apprenticeship program is a test of discipline, perseverance, and hard work. The last year and a half has had the added complication of the pandemic. You have had to adapt in many ways, including learning in a virtual environment. You are at the beginning of a very exciting career in the manufacturing industry. You get the honor of saying, "I make something." The products you help make will make people's lives better, and you should be proud of that. Congratulations again, and I wish you a successful career in our industry. Thank you so much.
Aaron Angelakis. Congratulations. Congrats. Mario Paredes. Congrats, Mario. Congrats. George Perez. Congratulations, George. Gabe Roush. Congratulations, Gabe. Joseph Spurlock. Congratulations, sir.
Well, what a year it has been. In addition to our students being on a learning curve and learning a lot, I hope, we, staff and faculty, have also been on quite a learning curve. And as we transitioned into the online learning curriculum, which I have to thank, a special thank you to the staff for all of their help and their hard work in implementing that. It really paid off, and also they were behind us all the way throughout the entire year with the questions we had day in, day out, month in, month out. But we made it through, and thanks to all of your help. And thanks to our students who were learning along with us, not just the curriculum, but also how to manage the system, the online learning system. So altogether it was a great success. Fernando Arzani. Good job, Fernando. Ismael Avila. Good job, congratulations. David R. Charleboy. There you go. Good job. Casper Shishon. Good job. Jose Luis Dominguez. Good job. Good job. Anthony Feliciano. Good job. Kevin R. Hayes. Good job, Kevin. Thank you. Jacob E. Herrig. Good job, David. Ramiro Idrogo Mellado. Good job. Stephen E. Jones. Good job, Steve. Patrick J. Canellis. Good job, Pat. Victoria E. Kelsey. Good job, Vicky. Alan B. Konwinski. Good job, Alan. Dominic Makarevich. Good job. Andrew C. Mojica. Good job, Andrew. Gary R. Morales. Good job, Gary. Edgar J. Morales. Okay, good job. Andrew T. Nigliaccio. Good job. Federico Ramirez. Good job, Federico. Edward J. Shipman. Good job, Ed. Angelo J. Simeone. Good job, Ed. Daniel C. Burton. Good job, John. Patrick J. Wallace. Good job, man. We'd like to also give the names of those who were unable to attend tonight. For CNC programmer, Joseph A. Ducato. And for tool and die maker, Jacob D. Bacalic, Brent E. Benjamin, Todd M. Burbridge, and Julio C. Puga. Thank you.
The TMA Related Theory Apprentice Training Program will continue to grow and evolve. But you should all be proud of knowing that at a time when everyone thought that manufacturing and training had neared its end, you were at the forefront of its return. Congratulations and good luck to all of you as you continue your exciting careers in manufacturing.